We want to transform the way our customers think about communication and location. We unlock the power of location for our clients every day. Our clients range from the federal sector all the way to oil and gas and just about everywhere in between. There's a big challenge in the federal government right now, which is to increase efficiency. It's to monitor energy consumption from the installation all the way down to the building, because the buildings are funded individually, and improvements to those buildings, well, they have to be justified, and they need to be justified with data. How do you monitor energy consumption for 200 plus installations? Each one of those has hundreds of buildings with smart meters on them. How do you make sense of that without drowning in the data? First, we integrated the Pi system and the Pi integrator for Esri, and then we used ArcGIS server and AGOL, and then we wrapped it up in a tool that we developed called Energy Insight. The geospatial data on the map right now is not just geospatial data. The data are attributed to the data in the Pi system. Our tool is role-based. We logged in as a national energy manager. These guys don't necessarily need to go down to the building level, but they do need to understand what's happening across the enterprise. Now we're at the national level. We're looking at Onizuka. I notice that they're coming in over goal. I can start seeing how they're doing in the last 24 hours. Again, I'm going back out to the Pi system. I'm going to reattribute the geospatial data to see what's going on. So you can start seeing how I can drill down into this information and look at it on a map. So let's go to the installation energy manager. I notice I have this gray area here. So I've got an entire part of the installation that's not reporting. I can drill into the geospatial data, and so what I've got here is a display of all 6 of those meters that are not reporting at this point. So now we're going to change role. I'm a project manager, and I know that this is my building, so now I've got all of the projects that I've done. And the interesting thing that we're doing here is we actually use the data in the Pi system to identify a candidate building to receive upgrades so that they perform a little bit better. By using the GIS as the dashboard, it creates an intuitive way to weed through all of that data that you would be drowning in and get to the information that you really care about.